Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why are you late?
The bus was delayed.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How do you study?
I study with flashcards.
Where is your school?
It is near my house.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's on Main Street.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. John is my teacher.
Why are you sad?
I lost my book.
When did you last see her?
I saw her yesterday.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Which way is the library?
Go straight, then turn left.
Who lives with you?
I live with my parents.
Which book do you recommend?
I recommend Harry Potter.
Why is the sky blue?
Because of sunlight scattering.
Where is your book?
It's on the table.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
When will you come home?
I'll come home at 5 p.m.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched Avatar.
Who is calling you?
My mom is calling me.
When is your birthday?
It's in June.
Why did you leave early?
I had an appointment.
Why do you like pizza?
Because it tastes great.
How do you cook pasta?
Boil water, add pasta, and cook.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
When is the next holiday?
It's next week.
Which shirt do you like?
I like the red one.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched Avatar.
Which way is the library?
Go straight, then turn left.